Well, here we are with my final flight of winter 2020. At the time of making this, we are looking toward reopening businesses here in America. And though I do look forward to resuming the economy and hopefully minimizing the consequences of the virus and the shutdown, I have my concerns. And as a Christian, I've learned to try to look at things from God's perspective. And tragic catastrophes that are devastating to the world are often great opportunities for God's Spirit to work in the lives of those who find themselves in need. There is an important kingdom principle in that God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humble. So when a person has a hard heart and is proud in themselves, they resist God and He must oppose that spirit. But when someone is truly humble with proper humility before God, they are much more apt to admit His existence and relevance in their lives, as well as being able to actually submit to His authority and look to Him for the help they need. Thusly, Yehovah can extend His glorious grace to lift them up in Him. So with this worldwide plandemic, many people have been stripped of their worldly distractions, and faith in their own self-sufficiency, and fear of the uncertainty and death softens their hearts towards the things of God. But as we start looking forward to returning to normal, if these spiritual fringe benefits are lost with increasing comfort and ease, then the heart and purposes of God will be lost to the increasing pride that is so prevalent in 21st century prosperity. So, in short, when tragedy strikes, God has opportunity to bring life, as opposed to the dark side that uses tragedy to bring death, that is, spiritual death and even physical death. So I offer you this warning: beware. God's ways are not the world's ways, and the world's ways are not God's ways. Time is always against us, and the time is always now to seek Elohim Almighty and His sovereign and eternal benevolence. Give Yehovah the respect He deserves, and find that your life truly belongs in the ultimate safety of His hands.